how this is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can add any file to USB drive from iPhone 16 or any other version of Apple device, and do that safely without destroying your USB drive or hard drive of your phone. So in this case, first thing first, you have to inject this one. This is a C port converter. If your USB drive common as this, you need a converter. I have a converter from Samsung. So you have to put this one as this, and very simple. You have to inject this one, C port. Simple. After injecting, normally in other phone or Android, you will see some notification. Normally iPhone, you don't see anything. So if you go inside the file, for example, file, you can see all the drive. For example, this is my USB drive. You see English is the name of my USB drive. Location is up here. This is my flash drive. If you want to be sure to remember, you can make a folder here. For example, here we have 3 dots. Tap this one and new folder. I put the name of the folder as photo. You can do photo, video, whatever you want to transfer. After that, click right, it's done. Now we'll go out. So now we'll go to photos here. Screenshot some of the photos I have here. Photos and videos will be the same way. You have to hit here, select the photos and the videos. You have to select the same way to copy. After selecting all, here at the bottom you have one option to share. Click this one. It will give you all the option to share. You have to go down here, save to file. Hit this one. It will give you a particular location at the top as a location last time you had done. You have to click here the back button. Go all the way. You will come here. You will see your drive, your USB drive that you know. In my case, it's English. I go inside. And you have to find the folder we have created. Here you see photos. I go inside. And you have to hit save button at the top. Hit save button is moving all the way to my USB drive. After copy paste, it will return to the main screen. Now we can go to file again. We'll go inside the photo. You see all the picture I have here. Now any photo or picture or file from your USB drive you want to move to your phone, you can do the same way. Click. For example, this file I want to move to my phone or copy at the phone. In this case, tap at the corner here. Better hit select. Select any file that you want to move or copy or paste. Here at the bottom you see file option. Click this one. You see you can put in iCloud. Go back. You have all the option you can do in iCloud. You can put inside your phone also Google Drive or OneDrive. I hit in my phone. I have a folder here in phone. You have to click this button, copy. So now we go back in my phone to see where it is on my phone. Here you see this file I have here. So this is the way you can copy and paste any photo file from your iPhone to USB drive, also from USB drive to your iPhone. Now another important thing, how you can take this off. So taking off, you have to close everything open in your phone, and you can take this off very easily because you don't need to unmount in iPhone. If you are not sure about this, you can do more things. You can shut down your phone directly. Hit shut down. Shut down your phone to be sure 100%. Then take this off. If you have a big amount of data, this is the most safe and secure way. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.